In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV. Let's get started. First, ensure your Vizio TV is connected to the internet. If it's not, go to the Settings menu, select Network, and connect to your Wi-Fi. Once your TV is online, press the Home button on your Vizio remote and navigate to the App Store. In the search bar, type Discovery Plus and download the app. If you can't find the app in the Vizio App Store, don't worry. You can use a streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, or Apple TV. Simply install the Discovery Plus app from the respective app store on your device and connect it to your Vizio TV via HDMI. After installing the app, open it and sign in with your Discovery Plus account. If you don't have one, visit discoveryplus.com to subscribe and create an account. Once logged in, you'll have access to thousands of hours of exclusive content, including shows from HGTV, Food Network, TLC, and more. Use your Vizio remote to browse, search, and start watching your favorite shows. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Discovery Plus on your Vizio TV.